Good afternoon and warm greetings to all. The galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, faculties, professors, and respected delegates.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கையிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதே தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடர்கள் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரையுடலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரமை திறந்து என்று செய்ய மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
I request all the dignitaries to kindly occupy the seat on the dais.
In Omandura Estate. I welcome you, sir. I also wish to welcome our RMO sir and other faculties of Stanley Medical College who are also helped a lot for its logistic arrangements for conducting the CME. To our eminent national faculties, to our eminent national faculties and delegates who have come all the way to participate in the CME, I bid you a warm welcome from my heart, sir. As the theme says, we have assembled here to attain professional excellence through learning and practice. Motivation gets us started, but the habit keeps us going. Hope you will enjoy our hospitality and learn the best from the best people. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. A ray of light is a ray of hope. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to light the Kuttuvilakku and inaugurate this program. I now request Professor Dr. Tolgapian sir to kindly facilitate Professor Dr. Ponnambalam Namachivayam sir with a bouquet. And I request Professor Dr. Ponrat sir to kindly felicitate Professor Dr. Ponnambalam Namachivayam sir with a shawl. We are pleased to welcome the guest of honor of today's CME. We are highly grateful to sir that he agreed to grace this event with his presence. With this, we'd like to extend a hearty welcome to respected Professor Dr. Ponnambalam Namachivayam sir, Dean, Government Stanley Medical College. We request you to say a few words, sir.
Good
morning, everyone. Department of Orthopedic Surgery, Government Stanley Hospital, has organized this National CME program and cadaver workshop on knee arthroscopy. Arthroscopy is one rapidly growing, flourishing subspecialty in the field of orthopedics, but still it is not performed regularly in several institutions. Only in a few institutions arthroscopic procedures are performed on a regular basis in our country. I think it is because of two reasons. One is the high cost of the equipment, high cost of the instruments, and high cost for the patient. And the second reason is lack of expertise. But still, what I feel is, even though the cost of an arthroscopic surgery is apparently higher, in centers where the arthroscopic procedures are performed on a regular basis, on a long time basis, the cost of arthroscopic procedure, I think, would be lesser than the old traditional arthrotomy procedures. And also because of several other factors, like since this arthroscopic procedure is a minimally invasive surgery, minimal incision, less pain, less post-operative pain, less post-operative complications, less hospital stay. So I think because of these reasons, the cost of the laparoscopic arthroscopic procedures cost would come lesser than when compared to open otomy procedures. And I am happy that in Government Stanley Hospital, arthroscopic procedures are performed on a regular basis, and I am happy that the postgraduate students in the Department of Orthopedics in Government Stanley Hospitals, they get adequate exposure to arthroscopic procedures. And today, this CME program has been organized. This cadaver workshop is going to be conducted tomorrow. We are going to have 12 cadavers, and each cadaver, 3 of you can have your hands on for this workshop. I discussed with the head of the Department of Forensic Medicine and Department of Anatomy. We are going to get 12 cadavers from the Department of Forensic Medicine, and we are going to have this workshop in the dissection hall in the Department of Anatomy. So I would like to thank and congratulate the Department of Anatomy and Forensic Medicine for extending their cooperation in conducting this arthroscopy workshop in a successful way. This type of workshops, few months back, a cadaver workshop was conducted by Department of Plastic Surgery for this microvascular hand reconstruction surgery, hands-on workshop on cadaver. At those time also, Department of Forensic Medicine and Department of Anatomy extended their support, and the workshop was conducted in a successful way by the Department of Plastic Surgery. And Department of Orthopedics is one of the dynamic departments in our hospital. Apart from doing arthroscopic procedures, several other surgical procedures are conducted in Chief Minister's Comprehensive Health Insurance Scheme. For an example, I am telling, last month, in July 2018, Government Stanley Hospital earned 2 crores out of this Chief Minister's Comprehensive Health Insurance Scheme. And out of this 2 crores has been earned by, that is how the arthroscopic procedures go. I am happy that Dr. Leonard Ponraj has come here to enlighten us, and he is the mentor of this workshop. I am also happy that several faculties have come from foreign wide places, from Mumbai, from Kolkata, from Tirupati, apart from Coimbatore and Chennai and Madurai. I am also happy that delegates have come from all over India. Although the number of delegates is less, I heard that there are 12 bodies, so 3 per body, so 12 into 3, at a time only 36 can have their hands, and we have 2 sessions, morning and afternoon, so 36 plus 36, 72 persons can have their hands-on training. So the number of delegates is less, but still the delegates have come from various places, like they have come from West Bengal and from various other states to have this training here. I'm happy and I wish this program a great success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.